Microprocessor is an IC which has only the CPU inside them, that is, the only processing power, such as Intel Pentium, Core 2 Duo, i3 and i5, etc. These microprocessors don't have RAM, ROM, and any other peripheral on chip. A system designer has to add them externally to make them functional. The application of microprocessor includes desktop PC, notepad, laptop, etc. Microcontroller has CPU, that is processing unit, in addition with a fixed amount of RAM, ROM, and other peripherals, all embedded on a single chip. At times, it is also termed as a mini computer or computer on single chip. Today, different manufacturer produces microcontroller with wide range of features available in different versions. Some manufacturers are Atmel, Microchip, Texas Instrument, Freescale, Philips, Motorola, etc. Microcontrollers are designed to perform specific tasks. Depend on input, some processing needs to be done and the output is delivered. For example, washing machine, digicam, pen drive, remote, microwave, etc. Since the applications are very specific, they need only small resources like RAM, ROM, input output port, and hence can be embedded on a single chip. This in turn reduces the size and the cost. Microprocessors find application where tasks are unspecific, like developing software, game, website, photo editing, creating document, etc. In such case, the relationship between the input and output is not defined and they need high amount of resources like RAM, ROM and input output. The clock speed of microprocessor is quite high as compared to the microcontroller, where the microcontroller operates from few megahertz to 30 to 50 megahertz. Today's microprocessor operate above 1 gigahertz as they are performing very complex tasks. Undoubtedly, a microcontroller is far cheaper than microprocessor. However, microcontroller cannot be used in place of microprocessor and using microprocessor is not advisable in a place of microcontroller as it make application quite costly. The microprocessors can't be used standalone. They need other peripherals like RAM, ROM, buffer, input output port, etc. And hence the system designed around the microprocessor is quite costly.